Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest account on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and you can see on the screen there are two options, sign up and log in. Tap on sign up. Then give your email address. Once you type in your email address, create a strong password. Then select your birth date and tap on update. Select your gender. Then you have to pick a few topics that you're interested in. I'm gonna select the top 5. Then tap on continue. And guys, that's it. That's how you create Pinterest account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.